So it's time to do a timing belt on a Honda J-Series V6. I picked up this Continental Elite Timing Component Kit, including water pump with OE Solutions technology. Each kit includes belt, tensioner, idler, water pump, hydraulic actuator, and installation instructions. On the top, you have a birth date of January 11th, 2018. You have one water pump, metal impeller, one timing belt, one tensioner, one idler pulley, and one hydraulic dampener. So let's open this thing up. Bought this from rockauto.com. I'm going to show you who makes the bearings, who makes the water pump O-ring. Here's the timing belt itself. ContiTech, made in Mexico. Made in Mexico. All right, here's our water pump. Very nice, very nice. Made in Japan. NPW. I'll have to look that up and see who makes NPW. After doing so many timing belts on these V6s, the Honda V6s, one thing you can tell, if it has these little dimples right here, these little nipples where the O-ring actually sits into and holds it in place, that's a sign of a pretty good water pump. You have these two dowels right here, metal dowels. You have these two metal dowels right here. Make sure these don't stay in the engine block when you do the when you pull out the old water pump. Give it a spin, make sure it sounds good. Let me show you what a bad one sounds like. It actually got hot on the engine and seized it up and ripped the belt apart. You can see this bluing right here. All that is blue. It got super hot and melted the belt. Pretty nasty. There's no distinct markings on this water pump, so also watch out when you guys do water pumps. But this one says nowhere on the outside of the water pump where it was actually manufactured. So yeah, that's what a bad water pump sounds like. Installation instructions. Got your tensioner right here. Got your... Sounds good. Let's see if I can see some inner markings here. GMB. This is put out by GMB. GMB as well. So this Continental Timing Belt Component Kit comes with everything you need to change out when you're doing a water pump. If you're going in there and you're doing a new timing belt, go ahead, do everything. Do the water pump, do the pulleys, do the tensioner, do the timing belt. Don't skimp out. Don't just go in there and do the timing belt. It seems a high quality, very nice. Because you run the risk of having something else fail if you go in there and just do the timing belt. Go ahead, do everything all at once. Do it right the first time so you don't have to worry about it. So I just want to show you guys real quick what a Continental Timing Belt Component Kit looked like. Picked this up on rockauto.com. I know there's mixed reviews online about Rock Auto, but I've never had a problem with them. So, all right, there you go, guys. If this video has helped you or any of my videos have helped you, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you. One thing you can tell after doing so many of these water pumps or what...